we realize that the three governments are collaborating between Museveni, our President Ruto, and Samia Suluhu. Our arrest...
Why don't you see how to unite? Because Uganda, even if you wanted to build a navy, how can you build it? We don't have access to the sea.
Posted in one of Kenyan's TV, just here.
In that same fridge, we have Uganda.
Breaking however information wetwogera sawa zineno President Museveni nkugambye achankalanyiza abanakenya banyivu nnyo mujukile bulungi ntino Bob Njagi yakava mukomera wano mu Uganda ate Uganda yalekoze ki yali denying kubeeranga eba kidnapping onako lero abaddeko ku TV wamuni radio mu wali Kenya ayina byogedde ebibera mu basement ya president oba y'omukolo menyekeddwa nga Gino Muhoozi ngagamba ntino mu taata we President Museveni bedala tamwenda kumanya ntino Muhoozi awamba abantu video tujuwe budde tujuwulirize otubuli ndoza yo mu comment section nenga tetunagendayo mbadde nsaba video osoko jimpeko like igwatana subscribing and nawe subscribing hajati nakalembe walinyo kolombiridwa going nango le ne bizibu nambere yawe sembe 529 kale katugenda mu chat lesson nako olwali nkugambye abakulu abebawambira no mu Uganda bagenze ku reading banyu kubera nga balala santino in Uganda byadala abasajja abakambwe muko era ne bavanye bategeze ensi bagamba nti Museveni mulaba ntino bamula President Museveni byali mukwogera sawa zino mbono asolo kulumba Kenya anytime from now bana basajja tebasaaga ba manyi nyonyo ate awo nyine mujukira bulungi tino otafida ji azenga atya ngakimanyi bulungi tino Bobi Wine abakulaganye n'abana Kenya muna bana Tanzania ne bakubiranga bakwatagana bulungi nnyo President Museveni basolo kwenda bamujako chovola ba otafiri ye ageza okuberanga abeera anti Museveni kitegeeza ki ogenda kwenda ngobunyuka sokola video otubulendezo mu comment section mulowoze Bobi Wine abasajja bana abasobula obanenda kwanga mujukire ba president basatu ate against opposition leaders basatu mu Kenya Uganda mu Tanzania sokola.
Why don't you see how to unite? Because Uganda, even if you wanted to build a navy, how can you build it? We don't have access to the sea. The political organization in Africa is so irrational. Some of the countries have no access to the sea. For economic purposes, but also for defense purposes, you are stuck. How do I export my products? That's why we have got endless discussion with Kenya, then this one stops, then another one comes, then the railway, the pipeline, the what, we discuss. But that ocean belongs to me. Because where is my ocean? I am entitled to that ocean. In future, we are going to have wars.
TV, just here.
In that same fridge, we have Ugandan civilians.
In the same fridge?
Yeah, one of them is actually the brother to the Internal Affairs Minister. The Minister for Internal Affairs, he's looking for his brother right now as we speak. He's been held at a place called Ronyo. Ronyo is a center. That's where we've been held in the last safe house. The brother is there, he's called Amos. We have high-ranking government officials, civilians who are still being held in that place. We have Nigerian brothers, about 6 of them, civilians, who have been kept there for so long, being tortured. You know, one of them was explaining to me how his torture went. They were using a pliers, you know, they squeeze his fingernails. He has so much body injuries that they don't want to release him in that condition until he's healed. He's still there. His name is Joseph Ifaye Chukwu Nwobodo. He's a Nigerian national. I hope the embassy of Nigeria can be more, you know, like what Kenyans at least try to do.
Yeah, proactive.
Yeah, be proactive in protecting the rights of your citizens. Whether they're innocent or guilty, let that be proven in a court of law, but not in a military base.
In that same fridge, we have Nusubuga Sam. We have somebody called John Mary Luchamsi. And I was in the cell with a Nigerian who is called John Alexander Egbo.
This is what we have been telling you guys, that in a sinking boat, no one is safe. Even the owner of the boat, kubanga ye aba are losing a business. But wana Uganda, they've taken fighting for what really belongs to them to be the work of opposition. Did you people even know that Otafire's brother is missing? How many of you knew about it? Ngamwena mulowooza agezako okulaga nti nali musaidi yafe. Kumbe omusajja alina ebimuluma muli. Naye the question is, for how long will you people wait for this government to at least have a pressing button on you before you start to speak. I remember Captain Babu was also complaining after his son had died.
I think he's dead. I left him in the cell and he asked me, Bob, he asked me to talk to you to make sure the message gets to the president, because the president is not aware about some of these things. It is the son, Muhoozi, who is undertaking these crimes against humanity. They have been undertaken at the Special Forces Command Center in Serakasenyi. That is a training ground for the presidential security team. And they call themselves next to none because they are next to none. They don't take command from any other, either the judiciary, whether it's parliament, whether it's the executive. So this is an armed militia that is operating under the General Muhoozi. And there are so many Ugandans. I left there over 150 of them in custody. People who are serving, who have been kept without going through any court process. They have been detained, some of them up to a year. That is what is calling the fridge, if you want to know what the fridge is. So there are some people who are actually in the freezer, not in the fridge. And as a human rights issue, these people have no cases.
Ekibuga nakiyingira ng'abasingano bwe mwakiyingira nakira ku kimotoka ky'amatooke teri asobola kukkiriza bw'andaba omuntu ayinza okulowooza n'awulira ate simanyi yagenda zi Harvard ayinza olowooza nayingira ekibuga nga ndi wakabi sebo nange nayingira ng'abasinga bwe mwakiyingira omulundi ogwasooka nzitukira bulungi nnyo nayingira ekibuga nga ndi ku kimotoka ekyo ne kintuusa mu site era mu site olwo be nali nzize kugoba nangezaako okukyusa obulamu era ng'abasinga bwe mwayingira ekibuga. People power. Bwe nayingira, of course, challenges zaali nyingi era nzijukira bulungi abali wano mulowooza tubunange twakulira mu luxury. Kaakati nze golaba bwe nali nzirayo nali sina na transport addayo. Waliwo akasimu k'omuntu ke nali neewoze era wa baasi yakakwata kubanga bwe nali nzirayo naddirayo ku baasi. Akasimu nengateekayo
komenti ng'ogambe Lubongo ya juu
owa baasi n'akasigaza enkya neenoonya ssente era nazo nandizeewola bwewozi nengenda nezya akasimu k'omuntu nenkazaayo. Kaakati eyo ye struggle gye nayingirira mu site. Ogwo gwe mulundi gwange gwali gusooka okujja mu kibuga Kampala. Naye mu myaka 2 mu Kampala mukimanyi bulungi nnyo nti opportunities zibaddengawo ne challenges nga weziri ebyokusomooza nga bingi n'emikisa nga wegiri. N'olwekyo ntegeera nnyo obulamu bw'omuntu owa bulijjo. Ntegeera nnyo kitegeeza ki omuntu okukagoba n'atafuna. Nkitegeera bulungi nnyo okutandikira omwaka kuyala n'ofata omulala ng'oli yala. Ntegeera bulungi nnyo omuntu okusula nga tolidde. Oba n'obeera mu taxi n'ogamba bananywa ki? Bananywa obuugi. Tebukiba olugero olwo temulumanyi. Olw'omusajja yali atambula ng'asirikiridde mu taxi ng'ali awo nga tamanyi kyakkola n'agamba bananywa obuugi. Embeera eyo tukitegeera bulungi nnyo. Nze basewo ne bannyabo tuli wano olunaku olwaleero kubanga twagala kukolera bannakampala. Twagala kubakiikirira. Twagala tubeere eddoboozi ly'abantu aba bulijjo. Twagala ekibuga ekikolera omugagga naye nga kikolera n'omwavu. Twagala ekibuga nga buli muntu alina omukisa. Twagala